When cats roll on their backs, it is a normal behavior with different meanings. It may look adorable, but it does not always mean they want belly rubs. Here are some simple reasons why cats roll on their backs. When your cat rolls on its back, it might be asking to play. It is a way for them to show excitement and get your attention. This playful behavior is a sign they are feeling happy and energetic. When your cat rolls on its back, it might be trying to get your attention. They often do this to signal they want to interact or play. It is their way of saying, "Look at me" or "Come join me." If your cat is rolling on its back, it could be a sign that she is feeling hot or uncomfortable. Cats may do this to cool off by exposing their belly to the air. It is also a way for them to stretch or relax. When your cat rolls on its back, it might be showing that it is happy and comfortable with you. This behavior is a sign of trust and affection. Your cat is letting you know it feels safe and relaxed around you. When your cat rolls on its back, it might be trying to scratch its back. The movement helps them stretch and reach areas they cannot easily get to. It is a way for them to stay clean and comfortable. Cats roll on their back to stretch their muscles and stay flexible. It helps them loosen up after resting or sleeping. This is a natural way for them to keep their body comfortable and active. When your cat rolls on its back, it is often because they feel relaxed and trust you. They show their belly as a sign of safety and comfort. This behavior means your cat feels at ease in its environment. Cats may roll on their backs when they are bored and looking for something to do. It is a way for them to get your attention and start playing. Rolling around helps them release extra energy and stay entertained. Cats roll on their backs to release extra energy, especially after a nap or resting. It is a way for them to stretch and move their body. So, by understanding the reasons why cats roll on their back, you can build a stronger and healthier bond with your cat.